In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to halve a given line using constructions. Provided is line AB. The question is to halve the given line AB using constructions. Step 1. Use your compass and stretch it to more than halfway of the length of line AB. A good estimate is to use about 3/4 of the length of line AB. Then you draw a half circle from the top through to the bottom of line AB, as you can see here. Step 2. Place your compass now on point B and then draw the same size arc from B to intersect with the first arc, as you can see. Step 3. Draw a straight perpendicular line through the top and bottom intersection of the two arcs that you have just constructed with your compass. It's always good to use your ruler and set square to make sure that you have worked accurately. Now you place a dot at the intersection of the vertical line on line AB to indicate where your perpendicular line, which is the answer we seek, is going to start from. Then step 4, the last step, you draw a solid line from that dot, which we now call C, perpendicularly up to the top intersection of the two arcs, and we call that D, and therefore our perpendicular line is now line CD. Please take note, this is the same construction that we would use to halve a given line, or in other words, to draw a perpendicular line onto a given line. Thank you.